So yeah, today I messed it up because of network issue, and good to see you. Good to see all of you here. And yeah, let's see. In all the before four shows, we'll be having audience, but the special part here is in this event, everyone will be participating. So I'm so excited, and let's see how it will be.
Yeah, so we are so much excited for that. So welcome everyone. We'll start the game, I think. Yeah. So everyone is set. So it's clear, right? Instructions is clear, right? If anyone has in like, is there any doubt? You can raise your hand and clarify it because a form will be shared, and I will be sharing my screen and showing the macro images of the object. And once it's shown, you have to go to click the link and fill the form. Okay, that's I think it's clear now. Okay, so let's start the show. Kalevani, we can start, right?
Yeah, we can. So
Okay, so
have you told with them right about uh, flow, how the game will go?
yeah, I have told that.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I'll be sharing my screen now. So yeah, Kalevani, you can share the link in the chat section here. So I'll be start presenting. Hello, am I audible? Like, can anyone respond? Because
Yes.
yeah,
Yes,
okay,
Arshad, you are audible.
okay. So I think there is some issues with Kalevani side. So no problem. I'll be so this is the form link, guys. Uh, so you have to fill these objects like name, object number, your answer. Okay. Sorry, it's in. Just give me 1 minute. There is some issues here. So hi everyone. Just ignore that link. I'll be sharing another link now. So you can use this link throughout this event. So just click this. You will be like seeing your name and your the object number and your answer. Okay. Yeah. So I'm sharing my screen. So let's start the event, guys. Be keen and make your eyes. I mean, like cleanly look into it. So that's your this is your object one. Just click the link and fill what it is. So let's see what everyone can find. So you have like clear visualization, right? Is there any problem with the was there any problem with the streaming? So everyone saw the image clearly, right? Out of station. Hi guys, am I audible? Is it clear? Can anyone respond, please?
Yes, it is.
Okay, okay. So you have seen the first image, right? The video was clear, right?
Yeah. The video is crystal clear.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. So kindly fill it. So this is the image again. Okay, so fill your guesses soon because we have more number of objects, so that we can.
Anna, one doubt now.
Yeah, hello.
I have a doubt now.
Yeah, yeah,
Actually, they are given the object and we have to write what is it and we have to click on submit now.
yeah, yeah. Exactly. You have to click the submit. This is the object number one. In the object number, you have to put one or object number one. Either it is fine, and then what the object is. That's your answer, and click submit.
Okay, now. Thanks.
Yeah. So Shanmati. Okay. So guys, fill the answer soon. We have got only 6 responses so far. So hi Shanuka. So I'll quickly go through the instruction started. So just now it has started.
Oh, sorry, I joined
No
late.
problem, no problem. I'll put the form link for you again. There will be a Google Forms link. And I will be sharing my screen now, and there is a macro part of an image will be shown. So you have to find what that object and fill it in the Google form.
Fine. I saw the
Each time
Google
after showing,
form.
yeah, for each time after,
Okay.
clear, Laka?
Clear. Done.
Yeah, okay, okay. I'll be sharing my screen and showing you the object. So those who missed the first object, I'll be showing it again now. So this is the first object.
Arshak, are you presenting? I was not able to see it.
So yeah, we have responses, 13 responses so far. So anyone want to tell what the object is, so we can find what the object is? Yeah, Daniksha, go ahead. Apple. So Daniksha is saying apple. So let's
Apple
see
stem.
what. Okay, apple stem. Okay. So I think there is so many people who are having so much good side. So stalk of an apple, stem of a plant, apple's fruit. So almost many people have found that it's an apple. I mean, many people are saying it's apple or some fruit or stem and all. So we have insect scale also. So let's see what the object is. So broken neem stick. So Akash is saying it's a broken neem stick. So let's see what the object is. So yeah, it's apple. So kudos to those who find and so no issues. Those who haven't find, it's an apple because I haven't found when I was looking into that. So let's move to the second object, shall we? So here comes the second object. So this is the second object. Make your guesses and fill the form soon because we can quickly move into other objects because totally there is 17 objects here. So hereafter per object 2 minutes will be given so that we can quickly move to next objects. So time is 7:29. I'll be closing it by 7:31. Okay, so make your guess. This is the object. So time is 7:30. So 1 more minute for you to fill the form. Yeah, so there is object two. So there is still some of you haven't filled the form yet. So I'll wait for 1 more minute. So yeah, we have 26 responses now. Anita, Dansha, Shanmari. Okay. So let's see what are the. So does anyone want to guess? Make your guess. So kindly unmute and tell what your guess is. So let's see how many of you have given the responses as similar one. Does anyone want to unmute yourself, guys? Come on, it's what we have planned to make fun here. So just unmute yourself and make your guess.
It looks like Iron Man's armor.
Okay, Iron Man's armor. So here comes our first guess. Iron Man's armor. So come on, guys. You everyone have guessed something, right?
It's look like capsicum, red capsicum.
Yeah. Your guess. Yeah. So someone have unmuted. So yeah. Right. Okay. So I will be telling what everyone has shared now. Okay, some structure pillar. Okay. So guys, I can't switch between tabs because there is mirroring effect. So I'm using my phone to see what are all the responses. So you won't be seeing what others have said. So I'll be reading. Some has said capsicum. Yeah, that's a good guess. That was what I was thought initially. Tomatoes, metal armor, Coca-Cola bottle, Coca-Cola cap, uh, red capsicum. So there is so many capsicum. Cap of bottle drink, Coca-Cola cap. There is some guesses also. Metal armor, soda bottle lid, gelatin. Okay. So let's see what the second object is. So yeah, congrats guys. Seriously, I don't know how you find its Coca-Cola bottle. Even no one found that. So kudos to Lakshmi Kantan, Prajwal, Daniksha, Tamil. Okay, so you have find, yeah, even Naveen has said some kind of bottle. I don't know how you find it. That was really amazing. And capsicum, guys, I am with you because I also guessed capsicum. So let's move to the object 3. Yeah, so it's time to guess object 3. So here's the object 3. Come on, fill soon. I think most of you have found this one. Yeah, we are getting responses. 5 so far. Yeah, 6. If anyone want to see again, I'm showing that. Okay, 7 responses so far. Guys, come on. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 10 responses so far. 11. So 2 is still missing, I guess. 2 or 3 is still missing. So another 10 seconds will be given. So those who haven't filled yet. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's hear it from the participants. So can anyone make what? Can anyone wants to reveal what their object is? Tell your guesses.
Is
So
it
then
fiber optic cable or a wire
Okay.
something?
Fiber optics. So I can't see who is telling. Kindly tell your name and make your guess because sorry
Yeah,
for that. Yeah.
it's Akash.
Akash. So Akash is telling it's fiber optics. That's really nice guess. So because it's similar to it. So Akash, you have company also because someone also had said fiber optics. So anyone other?
Me, my
Yeah, yeah, Shanuka. Yeah. So
yeah, fiber optics only. Even I guessed it.
okay. So is there anyone want to tell what your guess is?
I think toothbrush set.
Okay, toothbrush by who is saying? Can you know your name because I can't see. I'm
Sanjit.
not. Sanjit. Okay, Sanjit is saying toothbrush. Uh, so let's see what. Yes, toothbrush. Many have said toothbrush, thermometer, features backside. So Tarun, can you explain what that features backside so that we can understand? Unmute and kindly unmute and tell because I can't go into the chat. It's mirroring in if I into Google Meet. Tarun, I think Tarun hasn't unmuted it. So glass straw sticks. So it's nice guesses only. So let's see what the real object is. So yes, it's a toothbrush. So toothbrush guys, congrats. So fiber optics is also a really nice guess because it looks similar to that only. So macro objects are confusing. No, let's go to object 4. So those who want to see again, I am showing again. Yeah, time to make your guess. So tell what this object is. Does anyone want me to play again? Just kindly unmute and tell. So I'll just play it again, or I'm showing the image so you can see it and have find your make your guesses. So I want everyone to like kind of unmute and tell what is yours because I think most are confused. Okay. Okay, we are getting responses. 5 so far. So form will be closed in another 2 minutes. So make your guesses soon. we have only 10 responses so far. Okay, 11. So we have 14 in the meet. So 11 responses so far. And I think one more have to fill it. Response. Eatables. So we have 11 responses so far. So yeah, so those who wants to like reveal your guess, because there is so much of guesses here. What I can find is there is different way to find an object, and there is so many perspectives here. It's really amazing to see, because even I haven't thought, okay, this might be. Kindly unmute.
Might be a duster or a sponge kind of thing.
Okay, so we have our first guess as duster or sponge. So next. So or else I have to call individuals. So yeah, Logavani, tell what you think this.
Sir, it might be something made in silver.
Something made in silver. Okay, that's really generic way, because it fits everything, every answer, right? Something made in silver. Okay, that's a really generic way of answer. So Prajwal, is Prajwal here? I think I haven't seen his answer. Okay, so those are new. Okay, so let's see what this object is. So it's a chewing gum, and no one hasn't found it, and it's really difficult, I know. But the duster and even some has said like hand, ring, some iron object. Okay, so nice guesses only. Let's move to next object. So guys, make it fast, because here will be 1 or 1.5 minutes only will be given. After that, form will be closed. Okay. So let's move to object 5. Come on, make your guesses soon. Okay. I think almost everyone knows what this is. Even finger here. So we are having so much responses. This object is easy for everyone, I think. Kalemani, if you are in the meeting, you can tell if everyone have filled the form, and so that. So we have 10, 11 responses so far. So let's see what this object is. So as you have all guessed correctly, it's a pencil. So congratulations to everyone. Have guessed it correct. So let's move to the next object. It's easy. So that's why I haven't asked your guesses because everyone has answered it correctly only. So let's move to the next object. So this is the next object. So I'll playing it again. So time to make your guess for object 6. So come on guys. We have 10 more objects to go. Okay. Okay, we have only 8 responses so far. Time is running. So we have 10 responses so far. Yeah. So does anyone want to reveal what your guess is? Guys, it's like I am only in the
A screw?
event. Screw. Okay. So we have our first guess, screw. Yeah,
Bro, I
Lakshmikant.
think it's sharpener, bro.
Okay, so sharpener. We have good guess, sharpener, and others. So we have like answers like switchboard, some designed mirror edge. Okay, nail, screw, bolt, screw. So there is lot of screws here. So let's see. So due to this screw, let's see what the answer really is. It's a sharpener. Okay, actually, kudos to the one who said sharpener. That's really a nice guess. So let's move to object 7. So yeah, this is your object 7. So let's see who are all figured. 4 answers. So we are having weird answers as well. So it's really nice. So I'll be revealing once everyone has guessed. Make your guess. Six responses so far. So others have still yet to guess. Make your guess. Guys, come on quickly. So it's our object 7. Form will be closed in another 10 seconds. So we have only 8 responses so far for this object. So I know it's really difficult. So let's see who wants to reveal your guess. So it's time. Kindly unmute and reveal your guess. So let's see. So Logavani has said, yeah. Who is unmuting? Yeah. Make your guess, please. Okay. So Logavani has said iron. So Logavani is generalizing things. She is brilliant. Okay, actually, iron, silver. I can relate to. Okay. So Tamil Manju is saying some tool like an opener or lighter. Okay. So Tarun cycle pedals. Okay. Lakshmikandan, your guess is really interesting. One kind of bottle comes in Benton carton. Okay, that's really funny and it's really a weird way to think, but actually it's a good guess only. Machine, wheel, some rotor kind of thing. Akash is saying. Okay, so let's see what the object 7 is. So only one has guessed correct. It's a lighter. Figure this out. So that's really awesome, Tamil Manju. So let's move to our object 8. So that's your object 8. So flow your hand. There's some people are having really sharp eyes and good guesses. So that's really awesome. Okay, we have 8 guesses so far. So another 20 seconds. So those who want to give your answer, please make it fast. Yeah, we have 10 guesses so far. So I will be revealing the answers. So Lakshmi Kandan is saying sponge bag. Okay, so let's see if that's the answer or some others. So coconut leaf. Shanmadi is saying coconut leaf. Tarun, some craft item. Okay. So ornamental rubber or straw like scrubber. That's a guess by Tamil Manju. So every time Tamil Manju's answer is lengthy, I think. So last two answers are or it comes with an or. And we have Logavani, even sized and colored aluminum foil. Okay. So can you tell Logavani, have you seen what that object is? Because it's I haven't heard that object. Logavani, can you tell what that object is? So it's really funny. So this is what we are expecting in the show. So to may have fun and interaction only. Yeah.
Sir, I thought it colored sheet metal, sir.
Okay. Don't call me sir. I am just Arshak. No sir and ma'am. That's all. So don't mind. I am just making fun of you. That's it. So Anita is saying soft drink bottle color cello tabs. Sanjit, okay. Leaves, Mega, Naveen VM, aloe vera. Akash, Sherwani's button with green stone on it. Okay, that's really great, Akash. I loved the response. Sherwani's button. So let's see if have anyone answered correctly. I don't know what to tell this, but it's kind of sponge pillow bag with some Jigna kind of things on it. So I think Lakshmi Kandan, we can give credits to Lakshmi Kandan. I don't know how you find it. Lakshmi Kandan, can you tell us how you find this? Because I don't know.
Bro, it's like sponge. So I simply type sponge back.
Okay. Oh, so you guess that green one is sponge.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Okay, okay. So actually, that green one is not sponge. I don't know what to say this. So can anyone help me? What is this object exactly? How to say this? I can guess it's only a pillow, kind of pillow. Okay, so we
Some kind of that chunky work, something we used to call like glittering.
glittering. Yeah. Okay. So so we have aluminum foil. Also, we can give credit to aluminum foil person only. So let's move to next object. So that's your object 9. Fast fingers. Come on. Okay, so this will give you a clear view. We have two guests so far. So for object 9, we have 6 responses so far. Come on, guys, faster. We have 8 more objects to go. So let's see. I think you are all enjoying our show. I'm not boring you guys, I guess. So 1 more minute, guys. So those who just, if you don't know answer, just type, you can type don't know also, or you can make any random guesses. That's not problem. Because that would be fun, more fun, right? So if you say don't know, that would be also be fun. Okay, so we have 8 responses so far. I think some people are like silently observing others. So guys, if you haven't filled the form, just quickly click the link and answer it. So let's reveal our next object. Like before that, I'll read the guesses. So spanner, many of having said spanner, wrench, Lakshmikandan, Shanmati, and there is machine by Anita, roller using engine, dam by Tarun. Okay, so actually if I said okay, பார்க்க கொஞ்சம் டேம் மாதிரி அந்த மாதிரி பார்த்த டேம் மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு, நான் ஒத்துக்கிறேன். Some kind of machine, drill, make hole, spanner. Okay. So yes, correct. Spanner, wrench. So all the answers are correct. I mean, many answers are correct. Shanmati. Let's move to next object. So yeah, it's a tough nut to crack. So make your guesses. So tell us what. So only 1 minute will be given because due to time, it's already 8:07. We have some more objects here. So just 1 minute will be given. So yeah, it's time. So we have guesses. So as I suggested, there is some don't know also. So no problem. So you are going to find. Okay. So I'll read the answers. Some are at filling, so no problem because as time is running out, I am just telling. So Lakshmikantan, some cotton material, paper bag, Shanmati. So that's really a nice guess. Paper bag, cotton bag, price tag. Okay, so that's really an interesting guess by Akash. Price tag. So there is two don't know by Mega and Logowani. No problem. Let's find out what that object is. Tissue paper with rope. Okay. So white cloth. There is some interesting guesses here. Let's see what this is. So it's a tea bag. Okay, so we can bag because it's kind of tea bag, right? So no problem. Tissue also we can give credit. So it's a tea bag. So let's move to our. I think someone is joining. Okay. So hi Gayatri. Just we have started the event. So I'll be showing a image. You just click on the link and fill the answer. Okay, just in a nutshell because we are half the event. So let's move to our object 11. So this is your object 11. Gayatri, you can, I will share you the link. You can click on the link and just fill the answer in this. What is object 11? Okay.
Okay. No.
I have put the link for you. So this is your object 11. Let's see who are all. So yeah, so we'll be looking into the answers. Okay, so there is answers like from Lakshmikantan camera, Akash camera lens, Shanmati camera lens, Anita bubble disc, disc by Logavani, Eye of an owl, Sanjit. Okay, so guys, you can see the really the perspective of others, how they are seeing an object. So eye of an owl, camera lens, camera lens. So let's see what the object is. So yes, it's a camera. So we have one new joinee now, Fawzul Hidayah. So object 11 is camera. So let's move to the next object. So this is your object 12. So Fawzul Hidayah, this is your object 12. You can find what is and like respond your answer in the form given in the chat. So this is what the game is. So if you are any doubt, you can ask. Kalevani will also clear your doubts. So let's see. So 1 minute to answer. So what this object is. If you want, I will play again. So this is object 12. So I'll be closing the form in another 30 seconds. So I'll read out the answers. So Akash is saying rat trap. Okay. That's an interesting guess. Naveen, spring. Okay, you can see the spring here. So 1 minute. So there is bulb by Lakshmi Kantan and some kind of instrument by Logo. I think I don't know who that said is. So some kind of instrument is there. So let's see. So tungsten bulb, test tube, some kind of instrument, spring, rat tab. So I'm just showing to your responses. So let's see what the object really is. So it's a Gundu bulbu, as said Lakshmi Kandan. Yeah, it's a Gundu bulbu. So let's move to object 13. So this is your object 13. Come on guys, fast fingers. Let's see who are all fast and finding this one. Object 13. So object 13, yeah, okay. So we'll be closing the form in another 30 seconds. Okay, I'm reading the answers now. Those who want to guess, you can still guess. So 1 minute. So Kalevani, can you make the answers?
Yeah, sure. So, many people have said like, so Akash answer is really interesting. Like, seems like related to biology, but I'm not a bio student, thus I don't know. But it's related to food. I'll tell you now. And others saying Tamil Manju saying tomato with stalk, Lakshmikant saying vegetables, and Fauzil saying algae, and Shanmati saying it's sand, and Anita it's a spicy food. So Logavani plant with stick glue, and Tarun grass with water drops. So maybe Navin saying it's cashew. Maybe Arshak, you can reveal the answer now.
So Kalevani, can we move to the next one? So I just
Yes. Just reveal the answer for this one.
yeah, okay, sorry, yeah. it's a tomato. So I don't know who have answered this correctly.
Tamil Manju
my bad.
answered correctly.
Okay, so congrats, Tamil Manju. So let's move to the object. Next object, 14. So this is your object 14. So make your guesses fast.
Yeah, the form will be closing by 8:21.
So 1 more minute for you.
Thirty seconds more.
So Kalevani. So let's close and reveal the answers. Kalevani, are you there? Still there?
Yeah, Ashok, I am here.
Yeah,
But
just
still my
reveal the answer, please. Can you reveal the answer, Kalevani? Hello?
Yeah, I'll tell you. So this time getting different answers from all the people, so nothing is repetitive here. So Shanmati is telling it's speaker and design tiles, other one Tarun. Shell by Fauzil, and Akash saying it's a scrub. And lift
Nine tiles.
keys by Tamil, and copper item by Anita. Navin saying it's a fan. So Ashok, can you share the answer and let us know the people whose
Yeah,
guesses?
in a minute. Yeah, in a minute. So the answer is key. So I think someone has said lift keys, right? So Tamil Manju has said lift key. So I don't know it's lift key. So it's just the key. So we can give credits to you. So let's move to next object. So make your guesses, guys. It's time. So 1 minute. So we'll be closing sharply by 8:25.
I think many would have guessed correctly.
Okay, let's see. So we are getting, we have received so far 6 responses. So another 30 seconds. Okay, so many have found this. Okay, I can see that. One is joining now. Okay. So hi Rakshana. So I think it's a bit late. So we are at the end of the event. So anyway, two objects are still left. So we'll be showing the macro image of an object. So as you can see the screen, this is one macro image, and you can make your guesses in this form. I will put it in the chat box. So I'll Kalevani, can you reveal the answer?
Yeah, Arshak. And it is opposite to the first question actually. So many people, all the people guessed it correctly.
Okay.
So many are saying Oreo biscuit, and others saying it's a cream biscuit, and others saying it's a brownie. Yeah, Meha telling it's a Beatrice. I don't know what is Beatrice actually. Maybe yeah. So these are the guesses, most common guesses.
Okay, so let's see what the object is. Oreo biscuit it is. So congrats guys. Cookie, Oreo biscuit, or biscuit with cream inside. That's all correct answer. So let's move to our 16th object. So last two more. So I think that's a pretty easy one. Let's see who are all finding this one. So just if Rakshana is there, if you couldn't like or don't know what to do, just unmute and tell. We will guide you.
Yes, Arshak. What needs to be done now?
Okay, so this is the macro object. So there is a form link given in the chat box. Just click it and answer it what this object is. That's your guess.
Okay.
Yeah. So 30 seconds more. I think we have so many of answered. So Kalaivani can.
Yeah, Arshak, and I'll share.
Yeah.
Another, so again, Neha telling different answer from his view. It's a coil.
Okay.
And Fausal, she is saying it's a bambaram. So it's such an interesting view actually.
Exactly. Yeah, it's kind of
Yeah.
bumperum also. Yeah. Okay.
So Navin saying it's a headphone. It's also cool, right? Really, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
Exactly.
and Shanmati is saying it's a mortar and pestle. It's also
Okay.
very cool. And other most of the telling it's ball ballpoint pen and pen tip like that they are saying. So this is the most
Okay.
common answers. And yeah,
Let's
let's
review.
see what it'll
Yeah.
be.
Okay.
These guys having a sharp eyes actually.
So it's a pen tip actually. So
Yeah.
ballpoint pen tip. Yeah. Okay. So really great guess. So let's move to our last object of the night. So yeah, guess it what this is. So last object of the night.
Something special guess for us. This one would be.
Yeah, exactly. So it will be closed in another 30 seconds. So Kalevani, is there any responses?
No, actually, there would be no response.
Okay. Okay, so I think we are now receiving responses.
Yeah, so Akash is very much closer to this.
Okay. So at the end of this event, we will be saying what is the best guess so far. So it may be funny or it may be correct answer. So I have one best guess. So Kalevani, you can share your favorite guess also at the end of the
Yeah.
show. So okay, so let's read the answers. So Shanmati and Rakshana is saying it's LED display. That's a great guess. And Akash is saying some company's logo, computer chips. Okay, Anita. And Tarun is saying pixels. Lakshmikandan saying some dark object like a sky in the night. Okay. Fauzer is saying helmet. Okay, so there is different views of objects. So let's reveal our last object of the night. So it's Macro Room's logo and also LED display is also correct. LED display pattern, it's also correct. So Tamil Manju has said apartments distant view in night. Okay, that's different and really interesting guess. So that's it for our show. So yeah, thank you for this night and fun and fulfilled one. Fun filled one. Okay, so I think our show is like guessing event is over. So can you guys tell me at least how it is, because there is so much disturbances, and so I hope it was some kind of fun. So it's time I'll share my what most favorite response is Akash. So seems like related to biology, and I am not a biology student, so thus I don't know. So that's really a funny guess, actually, Akash. So I really found this funny. So Kalevani, are you there?
Yeah, shit. So my favorite is I would say that was most funny because every time when it comes to response, Lakshmikant used to reply with the emoji and something. It feels so funny when it comes to that bulb, right? So he
Yeah.
told it's Gundu bulb and he specified the emoji itself, and
Yeah,
he
exactly.
made correct guesses almost every time and something cool also. Yeah, so
Okay.
that's my favorite.
So
And
yeah, it's Kalevani, yes.
yeah, Meha. So Meha is like always telling something different to the point, and I couldn't even imagine how can she able to be like so. That's also very so weird for me. So the title "Let's Go Weird" really suits for Meha.
Okay. So maybe she's thinking out of the box. So that's really good one. So we'll be sharing time and all. So we'll be sharing feedback form. So we also sharing our we'll be sharing our Instagram link and our YouTube channel's link in WhatsApp, because our show will be over in another 2 minutes. So I'll be sharing that in WhatsApp. So you can follow us and subscribe to our channel for further updates regarding. We wasn't prepared for that. So thank you so much, everyone. So Kalevani, do you have anything to say so we can end the show?
Yeah, we can end the show. Actually,
Okay.
it was a
So
great night, and I found somewhere issues and I couldn't watch the entirely, but you handled it so much well, and thanks for it, Ashraf.
Okay, so thank you for that. So see you all in another event. So next Sunday we'll meet you all. So we'll be posting the events and details in our WhatsApp group as well. So bye everyone. Have a great night.
Yeah,
Bye. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. It was nice.
Thank you, Ka. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.